All right. So they are finished trashing out this property. It looks like they didn't get approval for the hedge trimming, but anyway, it's been trashed out. The roof's been tarped. We're gonna walk around it. I'm gonna do my inspection report, come up with a repair list of what all this house will need. And it is a fixer-upper. I mean, it's gonna need a new roof. It's got some window issues, interior paint issues, flooring issues, sheetrock issues, bathroom update issues. There are some leaks on the roof around the chimney and a couple other little spots, but the biggest issue is just the age of the roof. And now that it's tarped, it's totally ruined. So, but here's your backyard, decent sized backyard. Okay, so they did approve them to take out the carpet, which is great. So they've already removed the carpet, which was heavily stained and pretty nasty. So this is the living room. You can see there's some sheetrock damage. For the most part, this is gonna be paint and flooring. So here's your kitchen. I'm pretty sure none of these appliances work. The dishwasher definitely looks like it's had better days. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, and what I do like about it, you have your laundry, pretty good sized laundry room, but you've got this other 4th bedroom or an office or whatever you want to use it for. Even though this isn't the master, there is a bathroom right here. You got a little breakfast nook area. So here's another repair item. The hot water heater is shot. It's over 15 years of age. It looks pretty bad and gonna have to be replaced for insurance purposes. So you've got some sheetrock work to do in here, but I mean, it's a big 2-car garage. Sheetrock repairs, paint repairs needed. Okay. So there's a kitchen. There's your den, living room, family room. One of the nice positives about this house is that the HVAC unit was put in 2018, so it's relatively new. This is bedroom 1, and it's Jack and Jill style with a door leading into bedroom number 2. You don't see that very often anymore, but. And here's the master. And this room's gonna need some work. You've got some sheetrock damage on the ceiling here. The bathroom definitely needs to be updated. It's got pink countertops, wallpaper, peel and stick flooring here in the bathroom area. Big garden tub with a stand-up shower. But that needs to all be redone. So if you're wondering, I am using my new GoPro. I have it mounted on my neck, on a neck harness. So we'll see how this does filming these walkthroughs. But you've got a nice little bathroom here. I mean, it doesn't need too much, it looks like. It's got nice tile, needs new flooring, updated a little bit, but here's some more wallpaper. That's basically it, that's the whole house. So I'm gonna put a list of repairs, but I mean, this will be a fixer-upper, and this bank corporate seller does not do anything to the properties. They'll maintain them, they'll get the grass cut and stuff, but they don't do anything as far as repairs or updates or anything like that. So this will have to be either a cash sale or a hard money type loan. is the only way this thing's gonna be bought, because it's not gonna qualify for insurance with the roof, hot water heater, and other items. But it sits on a cul-de-sac, nice little neighborhood, really quiet. All the neighbors are really nice. But, so needs a new roof. Anyway, that's it. That's a tour. I'll make sure and update the description with the list price once I get it, but it's probably at least 7 to 10 to 2 weeks out still. All right.